This video is focused on basic 3D modeling. We will take a simple example in CATIA and build the model slowly so you can clearly understand how each feature is created. By the way, I am Dr. Syed Zabiullah and I work with the mechanical engineers across different design and analysis tools. Let's get inside the CATIA, start designing the 3D models. In this video, I am going to explain how to design this component in CATIA using the part design. Fine. So what I am going to do is we are starting from this surface here on this direction. We are going to create this complete profile. In one go, we are going to draw the complete profile with exact according to the dimensions we are going to draw. Okay. So after drawing this complete profile, we are going to pad it in this direction till the last. We are going to pad it till the last. Then that's the first part, first piece. The second one, on this surface, we are going to create this complete profile. The complete profile we are going to draw and we are going to pocket it till the last. Fine. This is the second one. And the third one is I'm going to rotate this. Okay. Yes. We are going to create the plane because from this surface to this surface, the distance is 40 millimeter. We are going to create the separate plane at the length of, like, say, for example, 40 millimeter. On this plane, we are going to draw this profile, the complete profile, and we are going to pad it till the last. That's a third piece or third part. And the last one is we are going to create the circle on this face and we are going to remove the material like a whole till the complete last surface. So let's get inside. I'm going to explain how to design this component in CATIA using part design. This is the interface of CATIA. Let's go to start, click on the mechanical design, go to part design. Fine, select this part design. So I just want to keep the default name here, click OK. So this is the interface of part design. Okay, so let's go to the option here, sketch. Okay, sketch icon, select the plane. I want to select YZ plane. Select the plane. Now let's start from the drawing. First, I want to draw a single line. Fine. This is the line I have. I want to add the dimension for this. This is 15 millimeter. Double click on this 15, enter. Okay. I just want to keep it in the center. So I'm going to select this point and this line. I want to add the dimension of 7.5 millimeter, enter. Again, go to the option profile. Let's start from here. Okay. So let's go for this. I just want to draw the horizontal line. I want to keep it vertical like this. Again, same, go to the option profile. First point, second point. Again, I want to draw the horizontal line. I want to keep it like this. Fine. So let's continue. Before that, I just want to add the remaining dimensions quickly. I want to add this dimension, this, and vertical this dimension, and as well as this dimension. Double click on this. This is 15, 15, 15, 40, 40 millimeter, 40 millimeter. Okay. So one more dimension I want to add, this one. Double click on this. I want to give it as 3 millimeter. Fine. Then again go to profile. I just want to continue again. Fine. So let's start approximately from here. First point, second point, and third point. I want to keep it like this. So afterwards we are going to draw the arc here. Fine. I just want approximately like this, and there is a small step here. Again vertical. I just want to keep it like this. Again vertical line. Fine. So here just want to keep it approximately like this. Now let's go to the option here, dimension. This dimension 30, 30, enter. This dimension is also 30 millimeter because there is an arc of 30 millimeter radius. And here we have a small step of 5 millimeter. Double click on this 5, enter. This dimension, I want to add this dimension as 40 millimeter, enter for this. And this line, I'm going to select this. This is 15, 15, enter. Okay, so let's go to the option here, line. There is a profile. I want to draw it like this. Again, so select this line, select this point, hold and drag it like this. So here we are going to get the trim option here. Inside this, we'll get the option trim. Double click on this. Zoom in, I just want to turn this and this. Next, go to the option here, fillet. I want to select the first line and second line. Approximately, I want to keep it like this. Now I want to add the radius of 30 millimeter, enter. Similarly, I want to do the same thing on this side also. Go to the option fillet, select the first line and second line, double click on the radius 30 millimeter, enter for this. Fine. And I want to add one more dimension from this reference to this line. Okay. I want to keep it approximately around 25 millimeter. So this is the complete profile what I wanted. Exit workbench. I need to pad it for 40. 40. Go to pad, give it as 20, then go to mirror extend. Fine. You can see that here. This side 20, this side 20. Click on the option OK. Isometric. You can see that here. How does it looks like? Now there is a small cutout here on this face. Select this, go to the option sketch. So let's go to the rectangle. Approximately we are starting the rectangle from here to here. Select this line, hold control, select this line, go to the option here, coincide. Click OK. Go to dimension. Okay, I need to add this dimension. This is 30 millimeter. 30, enter. And I have a width here. This is 10 millimeter, enter. Okay, because I want in the center, select this line to this reference, double click on this 5 mm. Now go to circle, zoom, select this point here. I want to draw a circle like this. Now double click on the trim, trim this. That's it. Fine. Exit, go to the option here, pocket. Okay, click OK for this one. You're going to get the pocket. Okay, and I have one more additional part here. Fine. Select this face. I'm going to create the plane. Select the plane in the opposite direction, reverse direction for 40 millimeter, 40 and 40, 40, enter for this. Select this plane, go to the option here, sketch. Okay, if you want to flip the direction, because I want to see it from the top, here we have your option normal view. Once I click on the normal view, now I want to draw the profile. Okay, so let's go to the option here, rectangle, zoom in. I'm going to draw it here, first corner and second corner. Select this line, hold control, select this edge. Make sure it should be coincide. Click OK. Again, go to dimension. This line, this dimension is 15, 15, enter. I want to add the dimension from here to here. This dimension is 12.5, enter, because the full dimension is 25. 25, enter. Go to circle. I want to start from here, first point and second point. Go to the option trim. I just want to trim this also, trim this also. Okay, so exit. Once I click on the exit, it looks like this. Then we have your option here, pad. I'll go to pad. Fine. I'm getting the option to add the dimension. Okay, so directly we can go to dimension, we can add it. Otherwise, we have your option here, up to next. Once I go to up to next, it will go up to next surface. Click OK. Now you can see that here. How does it looks like? Select the same face, go to the sketch option. There is a through hole here. Draw the circle. Approximately I want to draw it here. Fine. Hold control. Select this arc. Go to constraint define in dialog box. Here we have your option concentricity. And that inside circle radius, this one, go to constraint. I want to select this circle. The diameter is 10 millimeter. Exit, go to the option here, pocket. I am getting the option here that is up to last. Click on up to last. Okay, for this one, you can see that here, how I'm going to get the hole like this. Okay, and for example, if you don't want to show these planes, right click, select that, right click, go to the option, hide or show. The same thing I can do it for these planes also, or from here also we can select all these planes. Right click on this. Here we're going to get the option hide or show. Now we can see that here how I'm going to get the component. So this is how we are going to design the object. Fine. So this is how we are going to design the 3D component in CATIA using part design.